Hi everyone, I'm Diana and you're watching my 7 Weeks of Creative Gifts video series. If you're new to this channel, I'm an acrylic artist and I help people make their favorite spaces more enjoyable with colorful artwork. I also teach painting workshops online and in person. If you want to continue learning all my DIY tips in the 7 Weeks of Creative Gifts series, be sure to click that subscribe button and click the bell for notifications. Be sure to stay tuned every Wednesday for a new update of the 7 Weeks of Creative Gifts. If you want email reminders in your inbox, make sure you're on my email list. You can shoot me an email to let me know that you want on there if you're not already. Have a great week and I will see you next Wednesday.